today, we're definitely getting the frame on. So we got the window, which it does open, which is nice. Just got to clear all this crap up, and yeah, I'm going to get the frame on the front, get some sturdy struts at the top, and then hopefully get the doors fitted today and a bit cladded. Going to do it all day apparently. Tomorrow's going to be a different day, but yeah, let's see if we can get this frame up. Here we go. Right, so as you can see, we've got the front patio doors on. Once it's all cladded and I've got the roof on, then I can align them properly, but they're all in, they're all secure, not locking just yet, but again, I've run out of wood, so I've got to get the struts for the roof, got to get the struts for the door, so yeah, got to go and get another 10 bits, so we'll be back in a little while. Right, that's it for today. So patio doors are all in. Obviously they'll need a bit of a clean up, but I've just got to set all the way around it before I can level and set it in properly. So that's all in. We've got the window for the garden shed bit, so we've got the door to do, but I'm not going to do that just yet. So yeah, it's a knackering day. It's now about 6:15, so I'm going to have a shower, watch the highlights on the Formula 1, but tomorrow I'm going to be getting the roof on, and hopefully we might be able to get some of the inside done. So, chunky one today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.